Think traveling the world requires a fortune? Think again. Today, I'll show you how you can explore multiple countries, taste authentic local food, and experience unforgettable adventures, all with just $1,000. It's not a fantasy, it's a strategy. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to stretch every dollar, discover affordable destinations, and live a travel dream on a shoestring budget. Let's dive in. Section 1. The right mindset. The first rule of budget travel is mindset. You're not chasing luxury, you're chasing experiences. Traveling with $1,000 means choosing authenticity over extravagance. Instead of 5-star hotels, think hostels, guest houses, or even staying with locals. Instead of fine dining, imagine vibrant street food markets where meals cost just a few dollars. When you shift from being a tourist to being a traveler, you realize the world opens up in affordable, authentic ways. This journey isn't about spending, it's about living smarter. Section 2. Choosing the right destinations. Not all countries cost the same to explore. With a $1,000 budget, destination is everything. In Southeast Asia, $20 to $30 a day covers accommodation, food, and transport. Think Vietnam, Cambodia, and Indonesia. In Eastern Europe, countries like Romania, Bulgaria, and Poland are far more affordable than France or Switzerland. In South America, Bolivia, Peru, and Ecuador offer rich culture and natural beauty for budget travelers. Even parts of Africa, such as Morocco and Egypt, provide incredible value. Once you pick the right region, your money multiplies. The same $1,000 that might cover a week in London can stretch into a month in Vietnam. Section 3. Smart flight strategies. Flights are usually the biggest upfront cost, but they don't have to destroy your budget. Use tools like Skyscanner, Momondo, and Google Flights to compare prices. Always search in incognito mode to avoid fare hikes. Flexibility is your best weapon. Fly midweek instead of weekends. Book 6 to 8 weeks in advance for cheaper international fares. Consider budget airlines like Ryanair, Wizz Air, or AirAsia. With smart booking, you can find international flights for as low as $300 to $400, leaving the rest of your budget for exploring. Section 4. Breaking down the $1,000. Here's a practical breakdown of how your $1,000 can last an entire month. Flights, $350. Accommodation, $250. Hostels, guest houses, or couch surfing. Food, $200. Street food, markets, simple cooking. Transport within countries, $100. Buses, trains. Budget flights, activities and extras, $100. That's $1,000. Strategically allocated to cover weeks of meaningful travel. Section 5. Accommodation hacks. Accommodation doesn't have to drain your wallet. Here's how to stay cheap and safe. Hostels, affordable, social, and often just $5 to $10 a night in Asia. Couch surfing, free stays with locals, great for cultural exchange. Work exchange, platforms like Workaway let you work a few hours daily for free accommodation and meals. Guest houses and Airbnb. In many countries, private local rooms are cheaper than hotels. Your priority is simple: a safe place to sleep, recharge, and connect with others. Section 6. Eating on a budget. Food is both an adventure and a budget saver. Street food is authentic, delicious, and cheap. A bowl of pho in Vietnam? Just under 50 tacos in Mexico? Less than $1 each. Shop in local markets for fresh fruits and snacks. Use hostel kitchens to cook simple, cost-effective meals. Avoid tourist-heavy restaurants. They often charge triple for the same dish locals eat for pennies. Rule of thumb: if locals are eating there, it's affordable and authentic. Section 7. Transportation savings. Local transportation can make or break your budget. Avoid taxis whenever possible. Instead, take local buses and trains. Book night. Buses. They cover your transport and accommodation for one price. Walk or rent bicycles for short distances. Book regional budget flights early, sometimes under $20, and always travel light. A backpack saves money on baggage fees and makes movement easier. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Section 8. Free and affordable activities. Traveling cheaply doesn't mean missing out. Some of the best experiences cost nothing. free walking tours in major cities, hiking trails and nature adventures, exploring temples, churches and historical architecture, street markets, local neighborhoods and cultural festivals, beaches and public parks. Memories don't always come with a price tag. Section 9, Money-Saving Hacks. To make $1,000 stretch further, use these proven hacks. Travel slowly. The fewer countries you rush through, the less you spend on transport. Leverage travel cards. Earn miles and points for free flights. Avoid ATM fees. Withdraw larger amounts or use global-friendly banks. Local SIM cards. Skip roaming fees. Stay connected affordably. Reusable gear. Water bottles and small essentials save daily costs. These small decisions add up, allowing your budget to last longer. Section 10. Sample $1,000 itinerary. Here's a real-world example of how you could spend $1,000 in a month. Week 1, Thailand. Explore. Bangkok street food, Chiang Mai's temples. Wen. $300, including flights and stays. Week 2, Cambodia. Visit Angkor Wat and Phnom Penh markets. $200. Week 3, Vietnam, Hanoi, Ha Long Bay and local villages. Week 4, Indonesia, Bali beaches and Ubud culture. Now $250. That's 4 countries, countless memories, within just $1,000. Section 11, Safety and Essentials. Budget travel doesn't mean reckless travel. Protect yourself by using a money belt for valuables, keeping digital copies of important documents, buying travel insurance. It's essential, not optional. Trusting your instincts when meeting strangers. Safety ensures your journey is memorable for the right reasons. And there you have it, the complete guide to traveling the world with just $1,000. Remember, it's not about how much money you spend, but how wisely you spend it. With smart planning, flexibility, and a spirit of adventure, $1,000 can take you further than you ever imagined. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel strategies, and share this with someone who dreams of exploring the world. Until next time, safe travels!